Generally what happens in other cities is that every time what they have to maintain, they have to dig up that particular road, they have to cut the BC, again they have to backfill, again they have to do the bituminous layer. So all those things will be avoided. They have been well thought of, and at one single point all the plot owners will be getting lot of access to multiple utilities. If you see in this road itself, we are seeing multiple utilities at the back. These are the chambers. We have basically stormwater drain, that is one huge duct. We have the power duct. We have the communication duct, then we have the potable water networks, then we have the recycle networks, then we have the industrial effluent networks, and then we have the sewerage networks. So basically I think 8 to 9 networks, ducts under the roads at one point. So the service providers will just have access to the ICT chambers. They have to just open the lid from the top and they can do their entire cabling, their maintenance. So there will be no digging further for any service provider who wants to provide services to this particular area.